Welcome to Homework Lib.
This table shows the results of a longitudinal study that examines whether giving antibiotics in infancy increases the likelihood that the child will be overweight later in life. For the first part, we were asked what proportion of all children in the study were given antibiotics during the first year of life. So this proportion, or the probability that a randomly selected child from the study was given antibiotics in the first year of life, can be calculated as the observed number from the table that were given antibiotics divided by the total number of people studied in the study. Which we will just denote N. So if we go to the table, the first row represents people who have had antibiotics in the first year of life. Total is 438. So we put 438 in the numerator. Total number of people studied is 616. So we put 616 in the denominator. And this comes out to a proportion of 0.711. Then we were asked what proportion of those receiving antibiotics were classified as overweight at age 9. So once again, this is the row that corresponds to receiving antibiotics. And this is the column that corresponds to being overweight by age 9. So we can write this probability as the probability of being overweight at age 9 given that they received antibiotics in infancy. So this can be calculated as the total number of people who are overweight and received antibiotics divided by the total number of people who had received antibiotics in infancy. So it's 144 out of 438. And this comes out to 0.329.